year 4. Let's discuss MIS. Okay. I'm sure you recognize the class I just entered into because damn, it's your class. Anyway, so MIS, as we know, is usually a system. Yes, you heard the word, right? System consisting of usually 4 things: the people, the machine, the instructions, which we call the procedures, and the database, bringing these 3 things together: the people, the machine, the procedures, and the database. So let's talk people first. There are usually people in charge of these things, the machines, whatever. And the end result of that definition I'll give to you when I'm redefining that definition. And that is why it is concerned with management. The machines, normally computers and the rest, are used in MIS. Then we have the procedures, the instructions, whatever that guides the people to use the machines and everything. That guide people to use the machines. There have to be procedures, there have to be ways of doing things. Because if you just do it anyhow, you go wrongly and you destroy the end result, which I'll also tell you. And that's why it's linked up to management. And lastly, the database. All these things are contained, our information are contained in the database. For example, let's say we're keying in your result, right? You have reg number, you have your test grade, you have your exam grade. All those things are in the database. You have the normal grade, whether A, B, or C. I understand all your name, your number, your phone number, your date of birth. All those things, they are putting on there, arranging it. It's called a data or a database. Now, let's come to the main thing. Now, it's the combination of these 4 in order to aid decision making. That's the key word. Gorey and Morton, 1971, right, supported this. And Katz and Kahn, right, in 1978, actually said it supports decision making. Meaning, as a manager, is not the main thing, and that is why it is linked up to management. It's linked up to management because of that, because everything is still geared up to decision making. Why using all this thing? For you to bring out processes, for you to calculate and analyze things. So when those managers, whether top management, usually top management, middle management or lower management, see those things, it's okay. This is why this is why like this. So do that. Like let's say an auditor now that knows how to use his computing accounting software very well, and there is an accounting software. He uses knowledge of the computer, right? He's a person. He's using the machine to checkmate things. The procedure of the machine, how the machine works, following it. And at the end of the day, he's checking the database of every item in the store. Now, as a material internship, as a material intern, material manager intern in an organization. So I know how those things work. And then also, okay, you can prepare a paper, I will put all those things. That's okay. Everything is complete. There's no spoiled product. There's no whatever. And then those to make the manager or the so thing. The manager says, if there's so thing from today, we're going to make a decision that there should be more checking or daily whatever. But that is what MIS mostly is. Using all those things for decision making. So obviously MIS has a lot of things. I think all those things were taught to you, like the evolution of the generation of it, let's say types of it, forms of it. I don't want to say things, but the lecturer must have taught you differently. But that is what MIS usually is shared into. Okay, so all those things matter, and that is why. So if you say why management, discuss how the procedure or whatever, or the components. Components are those 4 things I called, which are people, machines, or the computer, whatever. Which is not only computer, right? The computer, the CPU and the rest, the procedures, and finally the data or database. So everything is just really geared up to this stuff, and that is why MIS is very significant and important as a course. So the main thing now is, after knowing all these things and going further and reading, now I'll answer some past questions. I hope this was helpful, and I believe in you guys. Good luck, and I hope you finish work in your last exam tomorrow or first semester. Enjoy, have fun, and don't pity the papers more, or answer all. Even in a rubbish, you add join. Just make sure you answer all. It's your last paper. Come on. Bye.